something that can do. I'm not sure what is, how going up the hill is like. All right, cool. This is only throttle assist. Check it out. That's the level. Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. Going up the hill. Throttle assist. So it's a good hill grade. It goes up the hills for sure without a problem. Trust me, I've done some deliveries today. Oh, I've done some deliveries over the weekend. Yeah, you can go further. You can go further. That's this hill right here too. Check it out. What is this? Next one. Oh, damn, bad. Better a little bit. Throttle assist going up the hill. Look at this bike. Awesome. Look at that scooter. All right. You know that scooter can only go 50%. This is go 20 miles per hour. We're at 17. All the way up. Through the freeway, guys. No pedaling. You see this? No pedaling. All battery. No pedaling, no motor. See that? Throttle assist right here, like a motorcycle. All right. Let's roll. So we're gonna follow this trail right here. As you can see, it's up the hill as well. Ooh, let's go. No pedaling still. Careful with that truck. Wow, all right. There we go. Let's go. Do it. Going 14 miles per hour up the hill. Look at this, a steep hill. 15 miles per hour, 14 miles per hour. Going up 12 miles per hour, 11 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour. We're making it 9 miles per hour, 9 miles. All right, here we go. 10, there we go. We made it. Like no problem, no pedaling at all. See that? Awesome. Here is another hill, steep hill. You know, 500 watts takes you a long way. You know, only 40 pounds weight, super miles, super speed, lightweight, waterproof. Let's go. Look at that. 60 miles per hour up the hill, 70 miles per hour. Awesome. All right. And don't forget the pedals. Look, another hill. There we go, up the hill. The battery goes down to 0, but once you let go of it, once you let go of the throttle, it goes back to full power, all right? So, I mean, this is just saying it's probably like overheating. And if it is overheating, just let go for a second. See right now? Cool. It's blinking, it's saying no power, but I'm pretty sure it's just like overheating or overworking it. All right. By the way, that was super draining your battery real quick, right? So you just want to let it go. You just want to be pedaling with it. I usually do it at level 1 assist. You see right there? It goes up. Boom. There you go. Still full battery. And then it's going to fill up again. All right? As soon as it cools down or something. All right. So this is it. That's the review.